Asan eh? Oh.
I'm tired.
Bakit?
Kasi mo to school.
What time you finish your class?
4. Yeah.
Wanda na? Ha?
Yeah. But later, maybe.
If you want, I will order food. You want bean?
Yeah.
Sige, I will order. My birthday.
Yes.
I love you.
Hindi nga.
I miss you.
Yeah. We haven't seen each other for like how many years, di ba?
Oh, long time no see. But I'm so happy to see you. Yeah.
It's your birthday, bro.
Oh, but I love you.
I miss you, bro.
Mahal na mahal kita. Mahal ka na?
Yeah,
Don't have anyone. Wanda? That's good. Everything you want, I will buy, huh? No? Miss you so much. Long time no see. Kamusta ako dito?
it's good here. Like your place here is good.
Tapos, I will make you relax.
Sige.
You want? Sige. Mamaya ako oras mo.
I don't know what time it is now. Oh, it's already almost 8.
So, 9, I will make you that. You go there, relax.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, is she a girlfriend?
Hmm?
Is she a girlfriend?
It's my friend.
Girlfriend?
Oh, no, my friend.
Okay.
Ano? Friend?
Bakit? Ano ginagawa mo? Ano ginagawa mo?
Ano, friend?
Bakit galit ka? Galit ka ba?
Galit ako kasi tinatanong
Bakit?
mo.
Bakit? Bakit? It's my friend.
Bakit binigay mo ako?
Anong problema? Is masakit eh.
Oh, stop cursing!
Wala akong pakialam kung masakit.
Isa ba? Isa ba?
Dinidinay mo kaya ako.
Best friend na lang!
Best friend ikaw, ba't ka pupunta dito?
Yung birthday niya.
Hindi ka na in-invite dito, hindi mo ka tayo in-invite dito. Pupunta-punta pa dito.
Saan ka punta sa akin eh?
Sino ka ba?
I know her before I know you.
Oh?
Let's go.
Ano ba? Tumigil ka na! Bulong mo!
Ayan!
Friends, gumaganon.
That's my best friend. How long you don't see her? You never see her. That's the first time you see her. So anong problema?
Ikaw problema ko kasi malandi ka.
You don't need to do this. It's my friends.
My friend, it's not normal. Kasi malandi ka, di ba?
It's not my problem.
Mag-alap ka ng gulo. Umalis ka dyan.
Masakit na lang, babe. Tama na.
Ikaw ba, umalis ka na nga, uwi ka na, sa barangay ng Lupalo.
He did not go anywhere. He stay here.
No!
This is my house.
Wow, this is my house also.
Oh, sige, this is our house, but this is my friend.
No, kailangan niya umalis.
No, if he's go, I'm go with
He
her.
needs to leave.
Oh, I will go with her.
Ang kapal ng mukha mo?
Oh, that's my friend. He's far. He's far.
I think I should go now.
No, you don't go stay here. You live far. You live from far, and you come here to visit me because my birthday. That's the first.
Hoy! Yung sabi mo dyan, tanggalin mo nga.
It's my friend.
Kumain ka na ginaganyan ng palang kamay?
Hindi ka lang ako siya tinutulak.
Anong problema?
Grabe itong babae ko, walang respeto sa sarili niya. Kapwa babae mo, walang dyan.
Kumaingay. Anong problema?
Kasi wala kang respeto.
Babe, this is my
Don't respect
friend.
me.
This is my friend. You know what?
Ikaw umuwi ka na kung saan ka galing.
Umuwi ka na.
Hindi na ako.
Oo, I stay here. You don't not go anywhere. Wait. If you
Hindi
go,
ko
I'm
alam
going with
yung
you.
name niya kung saan siya galing eh. Anong pangalan ng babae ka? Umalis ka dito.
Anong problema?
I think it's time to
Uy,
go.
shh!
Umalis ka na.
Oh, stay here. You don't go anywhere. If you go, I will go with you.
Ang kapal ng mukha mo.
Makapal mukha mo ikaw.
Sobrang kapal ng mukha mo.
Sobrang kapal mukha mo ikaw.
Umalis ka na.
Walis ka na.
I'll go.
Wala kang respeto sa sarili mo.
Oh, respeto. Stay here, tama na. You don't mind her. He's,
He's your girlfriend.
hey, you are my best friend. Stay here.
Umalis
So
ka
who
na.
will you choose? Your best friend or your girlfriend? Who
If you go, I'm gonna go with you.
do you think you're gonna
Oh.
Napakalandi mo sa likod mo.
Uy! Tagago! Stop na! It's the prank!